Yes, yes, yes. Now she's
Am
playing.
I looking you like very I am looking you like tilted or it's okay?
Hmm. It's okay, okay. You're looking good.
Yes, yes,
Oh,
you can.
okay. So how are you doing?
Yes, I'm doing fine. Yesterday only I came back from Noida. I was in Delhi actually. Yes.
Okay. And how is weather over there?
Over in Lucknow, yeah, it has been raining in the morning, but not now. It's okay. Fine, weather is fine. Yes.
Okay. Okay. And how is your practice going on so far?
Yes, practice is going on. Okay, okay. Yeah,
Well, okay, okay.
yeah. I can't say that good or that bad. Yeah, in between. Yes.
In between. Okay.
So your baby,
Okay.
your baby sleeping right now?
She is not sleeping. She is playing with grandma. That's I just have 15 minutes. That's why I
Oh,
want to
yes.
utilize my time. Otherwise, my plate is always full, and I have lots of to do. Okay. Actually, no. You know what? Whole day I just engage with her. Yes. And there are so many works. How can I explain it? If easily I
Yes.
will select also. So
Yes, yes.
because
It's very
taking care of.
difficult actually, when we have like a small child, so
Mm.
everything seems difficult. We have to manage
See,
accordingly, with the child when he is
mm.
awake. Only that time we can do.
And she's doing lots of things. Sometimes scatter the toys, and sometimes like feel hungry, then spread everything, start crying. Yes, these things are
Yeah,
going, but it's okay. I want to enjoy
yeah.
this phase because
Of
it
course,
is
mothers
also a
should
good phase.
enjoy,
We
this
start
phase.
again enjoying our childhood. Yes,
Yes, correct.
and I want to enjoy with her.
Of course, you should enjoy. I think every mother should enjoy. They should not
Yes,
get annoyed, every now and
yes.
then with the child.
Sometimes just feel, but every time I feel very happy. It is,
Yeah.
and I love her activity also.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am. So you have any topic for
No,
this?
Menika, I don't have. You
You
can
don't
give
have.
me anything or on whatever you want to discuss. It's your choice today.
Okay, so how long have you been doing conversation? More than 6 months?
No, no, not more than 6 months. 4.5 months.
4.5 months. So I just want to the what is your perception of this question? How to think in English? How to develop thinking in English?
Yeah, actually, I'm not started this doing this habit. I know
Hmm.
we should do this, but I'm not focusing on this part because there is so many things to do. So it's for it very difficult. Yeah, to learners, to the beginners, and we say that to the beginners that the fellow who's learning this language, so he should think in the mind. Think in the mind means what he's doing the whole day, what he has done the whole day, what he will do tomorrow.
Hmm.
Okay. And something, anything about how is my friend? Yeah, my friend is very good. And
Everything,
he can
everything.
listen. And he's very friendly with me. So anything you can talk in your mind. Okay. So I'm going to start this. Yet I have not started doing this. Yes.
Ah.
Yeah.
But you know what happening? We start thinking in English. Sorry, Hindi.
Yes.
Yes, we start thinking in Hindi language. We didn't focus on English. I want to like
Yes.
tomorrow I will go park. So the everything is going in my mind. I will go, then I will go there, then I will eat this, and then I will do this kind of activity. Everything just I am thinking in Hindi language. So how to convert in English because we are learning English language and we all want to improve our fluency, communication skill. But how we should develop this habit? That is the problem, and we are juggling different problem and different difficulty to improve that thinking power. Hmm?
Yes. Like you just asked me not to, like we think in Hindi, so we can go on translating that very thing in English. Suppose I have to go in the evening to somebody's house. Okay, then I
Hmm.
should, we think always in a Hindi. शाम को वहाँ जाएंगे, what sari I would wear, all these kind of things we think. So in the same thing we can like do it with the English language. So today I have to go in the evening to my relative's house. So what sari I would wear? Yeah, pink is good or green is good. Or what lipstick I will wear? So we can plan everything in the evening. No, not sorry, in our mind. So what
Yes.
anyway, like today's plan or like tomorrow's plan, then we can talk, go on talking in our mind like what we did yesterday also. Like yesterday I came from Delhi and at night I reached here at 10 o'clock, and after that I had my dinner. First I had my bath, then after that I had my dinner. So if anything we can we can repeat in our mind like what had happened yesterday, or what I will do today or what I will do tomorrow. Anything we can go on, keep in our mind.
Yes, and the second problem, when we start thinking any particular topic, okay, we start facing the lack of words, because words, if you don't have a words, how you will think in English, how you will deliver your thought in a proper forming sentence, I can say, because you don't have a words, which word I am going to use here. Yes, which word is suitable for this, and then start feeling regret, then I start feeling demotivated and feel like it's okay, yeah, it's not going to happen with me, I can't think in English, it's very Herculean task for me. Yes. So how we should overcome of this situation?
Yeah, we should fight with the situation, Menika. Actually,
Hmm.
yeah, we should fight. If we are not getting the word, because we are speaking in our mind, okay?
Hmm.
We're not talking to somebody. So if we are talking by face to face, that time we feel embarrassing that I'm not getting the proper word, okay? But yeah, while we are speaking in our mind, if we don't have a proper word, we can Google out here. We can Google out, and
Google Earth.
yeah,
Yes.
yeah, of course.
Yeah.
And so because we are talking in our mind, we can again and again do anything, with the mind, and Google is there to help us. But yeah, it for not when we are face to face, like I'm with face to face with you, and if I
Hmm.
don't find proper word while talking to you, Menika, then I'll feel embarrassed. Okay, when I'm talking in my mind, there is Google to help. So this is the practice. This is good practice to talk to
Yes.
anything in the mind. Yes.
And Lina, in this day, everything available on Google, so you can ask. But when we start open the phone, we just forget the our work. We distract with other things. Yes, this thing
Yes.
happened with you.
Yes. Many
I'm going to
times.
check the phone, especially the word after 2 to 3 minutes. Then we will forget what was the word. Then
So
we
yeah,
start watching
definitely,
different.
definitely you. Yeah. Of course, we forget. We tend to forget. So what do like we should write it down. We should write
Hmm.
it down, and there are many synonyms for a particular word. Okay, so we can write like 2 or 3 synonyms of that word. Suppose
Hmm.
we don't get the proper word. Okay, say suppose I tell you that I was very happy and I'm not getting a word happy. Okay, then I know the synonym like overjoyed. I was
Overjoy.
jolted. I was so we can use any
Right.
word that time if you're not getting the proper word. So one must know like vocabulary. It's very important.
Hmm.
Okay.
Yeah, so vocabulary play a big role in thinking power, and develop our more and more. You can think a lot when you have a lots of vocabulary, I can say. And if you
Yes.
don't have a lots of vocabulary, yeah, then you can develop to learning vocabulary every day and try to think, because if you have a good number of vocabulary and you are not using those words in your conversation, in your language learning
Yeah.
process, automatically you will forget.
Right. We will
So,
forget. Yes.
how many words you learn in a single day? It doesn't matter if you are not going to those words
Yes.
in a day. So you should try to learn some few number of words, but make sure
Yes.
you use those words every day,
Yes. Yes.
every
Right.
single day. Then the words come in our mind, because sometimes we just feel blind. The words is
Yeah.
not come in our mind. Why? Because we didn't practice.
Right. Right.
We are
Yeah.
not doing
Because
a practice.
yeah,
Just
absolutely.
mugging the word, jot it down in a diary, notebook, and put it aside. So don't do this mistake.
No, no.
If you
See,
learn,
see. You see. Here is my this register. And this
oh,
lot of vocabulary is written in this. What I do every day. What I
mm,
see. I just turn on the pages. Okay, and just go through them every day. Because if we don't go through them every day, if we don't go through those vocabulary words,
Yes, yes, yes.
we will definitely we will forget, you know.
Revision is also very important. It's
Yes.
very important. If you are revisioning your word every day, automatically you will learn and you will able
And yeah,
to use those words.
it won't
Okay,
help.
ma'am.
If we just note down and we somebody's
I think
calling.
you are getting call. Okay, ma'am. So thank you so much.
Okay, sure. I'm declining the call.
Okay, no issue, no issue. I want to wind up the session
Okay, then
because she
also
is
okay.
crying. My baby is
Okay,
crying.
okay, it's okay then. Bye.
Bye.